Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I am also fine.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself, sir.
My name is Kesav. I am from Brodh. I have passed 12th and nowadays I am learning spoken English and preparing for CUT exam. About my family, so there are four members in my family. And my hobby is to play mobile games and listen music. And I want to be an army officer. This is all about me. If you want to ask anything, so you may ask.
What have you passed so far?
I have passed 11th so far.
Where have you passed 11th from?
I have passed 11th from Brodh.
Do you need to take rest?
No, I don't need to take rest.
Who are you?
I am Kesav.
Where are you from?
I am from Brodh.
Can you fight with friends?
No, I cannot fight with my friends.
Do you like to eat ice cream?
Yes, I like to eat ice cream.
Have you ever gone to Mumbai?
Yes, I have ever gone to Mumbai. Okay.
Which language do you speak at your home?
I speak Hindi language at my home.
Do you need to learn spoken English?
Pardon?
Do you need to learn spoken English?
Yes, I need to learn spoken
Why
English.
do you need to learn spoken English?
Because I need.
Do you have to study?
Yes, I have to study.
Why do you have to study?
Just like that.
Where do you take your breakfast?
I take my breakfast at my home.
Are you fond of tea?
Yes, I am fond of tea.
Why are you fond of tea?
Because I like it.
Have you ever seen the Burj Khalifa?
Not yet.
Do you want to see the Burj Khalifa?
Pardon?
Do you want to see the Burj
Yes, I
Khalifa?
want to see the Burj Khalifa.
Would you like to see the Burj Khalifa?
Yes, I would like to see the Burj Khalifa.
With whom would you like to see the Burj Khalifa?
I would see the Burj Khalifa with alone.
Do you like to come here?
Yes, I like to come here.
Do you smoke?
No, I do not.
Why do you not smoke?
Because I don't like it.
Do you hate farmer?
No, I hate. No, I do not hate farmers. I love farmers.
Are you a fighter?
No, I am not fighter.
Who are you?
I am a student.
Do you live in UP?
Yes, I live in UP.
Will you come tomorrow?
No, I will not come tomorrow.
Have you come here?
Pardon?
Have you come here?
Yes, I have come here
Why do you come here?
because I am learning spoken English.
With whom come here?
I come here with my friends.
Have you ever prepared pav bhaji at home?
No, I have not ever prepared pav bhaji at home.
Do you try to riding a bike?
No, I do not try to riding a bike.
Have you ever gone to Mathura?
No, I have not ever go to Mathura.
With which stream have you passed 10th?
Pardon?
With which stream have you passed 10th?
Yes, I have. is- Yes, I have streamed. Yes, I have passed my trend with PCN.
Are you afraid of smoking?
Pardon, sir?
Are you afraid of smoking?
Yes, I am afraid of smoking
Why are you afraid of smoking?
because I don't like it.
Do you like to eat sweets?
Yes, I like to eat sweets.
Who who are you afraid? Who are you afraid of?
I am afraid of my father.
Can you go to Ayodhya?
No, I cannot go to it.
Why can you go to Ayodhya? Why can you not go to Ayodhya?
Just like that.
Do you consume alcohol?
No, I don't consume alcohol
Why?
because I don't like it.
Where would you like to go to?
I like to go to Kedarnath temple.
Should you study?
Yes, I should study.
Do you have to avoid Hindi here?
Yes, I have to avoid Hindi here.
Would you like to go to Dehradun?
Yes, I would like to go to Dehradun.
Would you like to see the Taj Mahal?
Yes, I would like to see the Taj Mahal.
Okay, buddy. So it was a nice discussion. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Okay, sir.